Hi everyone, I'm so glad you are here for our last alliteration lesson. Let's start by reviewing what alliteration is. Whisper what you know about alliteration. Alliteration is when there is a consonant sound that is repeated at the beginning of words. So remember, not vowel sounds, and the repetition does need to be noticeable. But it doesn't have to be in every word unless it's a certain type of poem like our pyramid poems. And speaking of pyramid poems, I hope you enjoyed writing one of those on your own. Just for a fun little review, I'm going to put up 2 pictures of things that start with the same sound. And then you whisper a sentence with alliteration using those 2 words and other words with that sound. Okay, how about these 2 things? Whisper a sentence. Did you think of a sentence? How about the baby bought a big boy bike? And of course, there are many other ways you could have said your sentence. Let's try another one. Whisper an alliterative sentence with these words. I wish I could hear what you came up with. I came up with, the mouse makes muffins on the moon. And let's do one more. Whisper a sentence. Did you think of a sentence? How about, Pam painted a piece of pizza on her paper? And again, there are so many other sentences you could have come up with using pizza and paint. Okay, and now let's review our alliteration pyramid poems. Remember, first you have to have a noun, then you add an adjective, then a verb, and then lastly you add an adverb at the end. Now I'm going to add a picture for the noun, which is snails, and for the verb, which is swim, and see if you can use those words and finish the poem with an adjective and adverb. Whisper what you come up with. Did you think of a way to finish the poem? Here's what I thought of. Snails, slimy snails. Slimy snails swim. Slimy snails swim slowly. Remember, when you write an alliteration pyramid poem, be sure that you follow the exact order and amount of words that the page says. And think about what the poem is saying, because it does have to make sense, even if it's a little bit silly or exaggerated. Okay, everyone, that's all I have for us about alliteration. And now you will write 2 more pyramid poems on the back side of the page that you worked on last time, called Alliteration Pyramid Poem. And your teacher will again assign this either online, digitally, or on paper. Then, when you are ready for your final copy, again, you'll do that online or on paper, and you will add illustrations to your work. If you do it on paper, you will have a final product that is a 3D shaped poem like this one, with poems on each side. Okay, everybody, I've enjoyed bringing these lessons to you. Bye, everyone.